This is lesson 2-4, stem and leaf plots, and our guiding question is how do we use stem and leaf plots? And we're going to practice making 2 stem and leaf plots together, and then you're going to do one on your own. We'll do 3 together and you'll do one on your own. So let's look at number 1. Points scored in football games. We don't have any single digit numbers. The smallest number we have is 13. So here with our stems, we're going to put the number 1. And then every number that has a 1 in the tens place, we're going to write those down first. And we need to write them in order from least to greatest. So we're looking at 13 first. There's my 13. And then 14. And then 16. And then 18. Now let's do all the 20s. We have 20, and that's it. 20. Okay, any 30s? There's 33, 32. So let's do those. 32, and then 33. And then any 40s? Nope. You can put a 4 here, but we're not going to put anything in the ones place. And then let's look at the 50s. There's 52 and 58. So 52 and 58. And then I didn't make room for the 60s. We have 61 and 67. So there's 61 and 67. Did we get all the numbers? Okay, there's our stem and leaf plot. Now you have to make a key. You pick any number on the stems. So I'm going to pick 3. And then draw the line in between it. And then I'm going to put 2. And what does that make? 32. You want to pick a number from your actual stem and leaf plot. Okay, for our quiz scores, the smallest number that we have is a 61. Looks like the smallest numbers are in the 60s. So I'm going to circle all of those and start writing them down in order from least to greatest. So there's 61, 62, 63, 64, and 65. Now let's do the 70s. I have 71, 74, and I have 2 75s. I'm going to write both of them down. And then the 80s, there's only 2 of those, 81 and 82. And then the 90s, there's only 1 of those, 91. Now let's pick a number for our key. I'm just going to pick 61. It doesn't matter which one you choose. So 61, 61. Okay, let's do number 3. Weekly babysitting earnings. The smallest number we have is, looks like it's in the 20s. Probably people get paid a lot for babysitting nowadays. Okay, so there's 21, and there's 2 of those, so I gotta put it down twice. And there's 22, 23, and 24. Do I have any 30s? Nope, there's a 37. That's it. 37. Okay, do I have any 40s? There's 49, 49, 44, and 47. So I'm going to put those in order. 44, 47, 49, 49. And then I have the 50s, 52, 51, 53, 51, 52, 53. And then last I have the 60s, 61 and 65, 61, 65. And this time when we do our key, I'm going to do 65 we'll say $65. Sometimes you'll see them put the key in $65. Okay, now your job is to make a key, make a stem and leaf plot on your Cornell notes for number 4. You may need to pause it. Okay. And then you're going to do number 5, 6, 7, and 8 on your own. And I will check your answers when you're done. Then you will answer the guiding question. When you're done with that guiding question, you may need to go back up, and then you'll do self-check quiz 2, 4 after your notes.